In today's video, I'm going to teach you create text. By the end, you'll have a simple, clean 3D flip that brings your text into view inside After Effects, perfect for titles, lower thirds, or quick intros. Start in your composition with nothing selected, then go to the top menu and choose Layer New Text. A text layer appears and you can immediately type the words you want. Don't worry too much about styling right now. You can always adjust your font, size, and color in the character and paragraph panels as you go. The key is just to get your text on the canvas so we can animate it. Next, let's make it three-dimensional. In the timeline, find your text layer and click the little cube icon, also known as the 3D layer switch. Turning this on tells After Effects to treat the layer in 3D space, which unlocks rotation on the X, Y, and Z axes. You won't see a change yet, but it's what enables the flip effect we're after. With the layer selected, press R on your keyboard to reveal the rotation properties. You'll see separate controls for X rotation, Y rotation, and Z rotation, along with an orientation value. We're going to use Y rotation, which spins the text around its vertical axis, like a door on a hinge. Set Y rotation to 90 degrees. Your text should now be turned sideways, so it's effectively invisible or just a thin line. This gives us a clean starting point for the flip. Now it's time to animate. Click the stopwatch next to Y rotation to create your first keyframe at the current playhead position. That keyframe records the 90-degree starting angle. Move the playhead forward in time to set the duration of the flip. About a second is a nice starting point, but choose what fits your scene. The farther you move, the slower the animation will feel. With the playhead in the new spot, change Y rotation back to 0 degrees. After Effects automatically adds a second keyframe, so the text will rotate from 90 to 0 between those points. Let's preview the result. Press the spacebar to play it back. You should see the text rotate into view like a smooth 3D flip. If it's too fast or too slow, drag the second keyframe to adjust the timing until it matches your pacing. That's all there is to it. Create your text, enable 3D, set an initial sideways rotation, add keyframes.